How to save a TikTok drop to your camera roll. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to save a TikTok drop to your camera roll. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok right here. And as you can see, you can just head over to your profile page by clicking this profile icon on the bottom. And after that, in here you can see your drops. So if you already have a drop, you can just click on this drop right here and then choose the drop that you want to save. So let's choose this one right here. And once you have opened that, you can see the save button right here. So click on the save button and it will be saved to your camera roll. As you can see, it has been saved to album. So if we head over to our videos right here, we can see that specific video. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to save a TikTok drop to your camera roll. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.